Good morning students. Last class we discussed the product of multiplication whole part. Today some more problems will take product of fraction with a fraction. On that example 1 by 2 of first one 1 by 4, second one 3 by 5 and third one 2 by 7. Already we know according to the rule of the product of fractions rule is the multiplication of numerators divided by multiplication of denominator, means the product of numerators divided by product of denominators. See first one 1 by 2 of 1 by 4. First problem 1 by 2 of 1 by 4. Already we said according to Bodmer's rule of means product is nothing but multiplication. See here 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 means here the product of two fractions is equal to product of numerators divided by product of denominators. 1 into 1 by 2 into 4 is equal to 1 1 jar 1, 2 4 jar 8, 2 4 jar 8. Actually here 2 and 4 is possible cancellation, but 2 and 4 are in denominator position. That's why don't do the cancellation between 2 and 4. Why? Because two numbers is in denominators. Next second one 1 by 2 of 3 by 5. 1 by 2 of 3 by 5. 1 by 2 of is nothing but multiplication, then 3 by 5 is equal to 1 into 3 by 2 into 5. 1 into 3 by 2 into 5. Okay, now just check it is possible cancellation or not. Is possible cancellation between numerator and denominator. Between numerator and denominator. Here numerator is 3 and 1 is there. Denominator 2 and 5 is there. All are different. Not possible cancellation. That's why directly do multiplication. 1 into 3 is 3. 2 5 jar 10. That too this is the proper fraction. Is not possible to convert into mixed fraction. Okay, is possible only improper fraction to mixed fraction. This is the proper fraction. That too standard form is not possible to convert into mixed fraction. The third one is 1 by 2 of 2 by 7. 1 by 2 of 2 by 7, then 1 by 2 into 2 by 7. 1 by 2 into 2 by 7, then 1 into 2 by 2 into 7. 1 into 2 by 2 into 7. Here 2 is in numerator and 2 is in denominator. Is possible cancellation. Why? Because 2 are in numerator is 1 2 is there and denominator also 2 is there. That's why is possible cancellation. 2 1 jar 2, 2 1 jar 2. Then finally 1 1 jar 1 and 1 7 jar 7. 1 by 7 also proper fraction. That's why not possible convert into mixed fraction. Okay, I repeat once again. Here 1 by 2 of 3 problems we have. In the first problem is 1 by 4. See 1 into 1 is 1, 2 4 jar 8. 1 by 8 is a proper fraction. Next like that 1 by 2 of 3 by 5 should multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. 1 by 3 means 1 by 2 of 3 by 5 means 1 3 jar 3, 2 5 jar 10. Last one 1 by 2 of 2 by 7. Here 2 is in numerator and 2 is denominator. That's why it's possible cancellation. That's why 1 by 7 is the answer. Multiply and reduce the lowest form if possible. Lowest form. First of all multiply the fractions and is possible. What is the 3 by 8 into 3 by 8 into 6 by 4. 6 by 4. 3 by 8 into 6 by 4. See here we have two fractions. numerators and denominator. Here also numerator and denominator is very easy to multiply. Why? Because the rule is multiply the product of numerators by product of denominators. Then 3 into 6 by 8 into 4. 3 into 6 by 8 into 4. Here 3 and 6 are numerators, 8 and 4 are denominators. Is possible cancellation between numerator and denominator. Means see here, with 3 is not possible, with 6 we'll check. With 6 is in 2 table and 4 also is in 2 table and 8 also is in 2 table. Now take just 2 3 jar and 2 2 jar. 2 3 jar and 2 2 jar. Not only 4, we can cancel with 8 also, no problem. But you should multiply again, we'll get same answer. Then here again we'll check is possible cancellation, not possible. Why? Because there is no terms common, means same table terms. 3 3 jar 9, 8 2 jar 16, 9 by 16. This is the standard form. Why? Because standard form 9 table there is no 16, in 16 table there is no 9, means 16 is not a multiple of 9 and 9 is not a multiple of 16. That's why, and 9 and 16 both of these two numbers not in any table. That's why 9 by 16 is the standard form. Now one more problem we will check. 11 by 2 into 3 by 10. 11 by 2 into 3 by 10. Okay, 11 by 2 into 3 by 10. Here 11 and 3 are the numerators, 2 and 10 are the denominators. Now should multiply 11 into 3 by 2 into 10. Maximum members will do one mistake. What is the mistake? Means 2 1 jar 2 5 jar is 10. That's why 2 1 jar 2 5 jar is cancellation is possible. But don't do like that. Why? Because 2 and 10 are in denominator position. That's why don't do the cancellation between denominator to denominator. Always cancellation is possible numerator to denominator. Okay, then is not possible. Why? Because 11 and 3 and 2 and 10 all are different. There is no cancellation for terms. That's why directly should multiply 11 3 jar 33 to 10 jar 20. 33 by 20 is the standard form. Why? Because 33 and 20 is not in any table, and 33 and 20 there is no common factor. That's why 33 by 20 is the standard form. Again, this is the improper fraction. Is possible convert into mixed fraction. Not only in case in your answer, if you will get the improper fraction, is better to convert into mixed fraction also. Actually up to improper fraction is enough, but will convert into mixed fraction is too good. Then 20 with 33. 21 jar 20, remainder is 13. Remainder is 13. Then what is the answer? Means QRD is 113 by 20. 113 by 20. Okay, next one more problem we'll check. 4 by 5, third one. 4 by 5 into 12 by 7. 4 by 5 into 12 by 7. Now directly should multiply. Why? Because first of all check it. Is possible cancellation or not? Not there, means directly we'll check. 4 12 jar 48 and 5 7 jar 35. Okay, in bit type of question, multiple choice questions are IIT, compulsory have to do the shortcut method. Why? Otherwise we can take more time. That's why directly do multiplication. Now 48 by 35 is the improper fraction. That's why convert into mixed fraction again. 35 with 48. 35 1 jar 35 is remainder again 13. Then finally what is the answer? 35 means 113 by 35. 113 by 35. These are the fractions, the product of two fractions. Okay. Next, see now some more deeply, means we'll check now mixed fractions. We'll take now some mixed fractions. 3 2 by 5 into 3 4 by 7. 3 2 by 5 into 3 4 by 7. Okay, see here, 2 are mixed fractions. 2 are mixed fractions also, nothing to worry. Why? Because first of all convert into improper fraction, then improper fraction after we can multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. First of all, the 3 2 by 5 convert into improper fraction. 5 3 jar 15 plus 2 17 by 5 into 7 3 jar 21 21 plus 4 25 by 7. 25 by 7. See here, 17 by 5 and 25 by 7. Here is possible cancellation with the numerator and denominator is possible. 5 1 jar 5 5 jar is 17 5 jar is 85 by 7. 85 by 7. 85 by 7 is the improper fraction. Then easily we can convert into mixed fraction. 7 with 85. 7 1 jar 7. 15 is the remainder. 15 next. 7 2 jar 14. Remainder is 1. Then finally 12 1 by 7. 12 1 by 7. This is the product of two mixed fractions. The product of two mixed fractions, when first of all we have to convert into improper fraction, after should multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. Same as usual the process. Okay. Next, one more problem will explain. 6 2 by 5. 6 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 4. 5 1 by 4. 6 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 4. See here, first of all should multiply 5 and 6 is 30. 32 by 5 into 5 1 by 4. 5 1 by 4 is nothing but the improper fraction. That convert into improper fraction will get 4 5 is 20. 21 by 4. 21 by 4. Now again we'll check is possible cancellation. 32 and 4 is possible, but 21 and 5 is not possible. That's why 4 1 jar 4. 4 8 jar 32. Then the 8 is in numerator position. 8 should multiply with the 21. 21 into 8. 8 1 jar 8. 8 2 jar 16 means 168 by 5. The denominator value is 5. Then now again convert into mixed fraction. 5 3 jar 15 is 118. Again 5 3 jar 15 is remainder 3. Remainder 3. Then 33 3 by 5. 33 3 by 5. This is the product of two fractions, means mixed fractions. Okay. Okay students, whatever it is, proper fraction or proper fraction, first of all, in case mixed fractions is there, means convert into improper fraction. After should multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with the denominator. One more problem we'll check now. What is that? Which is greater? Which is greater? Here given two combinations of fractions. Here given two combinations of fraction. 2 by 7 of 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or and 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. Okay. See here, this is here given two combinations. Now first of all should multiply 2 by 7 of 3 by 7. 3 by 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 means 2 by 7 into 3 by 4 is equal to 2 3 jar 6. Otherwise do cancellation. 2 1 jar 2 2 jar means 3 by 14. 3 by 14 like that. Next here 3 by 5 into 5 by 8. Do cancellation. Why? Because 5 is in numerator position and denominator position is possible cancellation. Then 3 by 8 will come. Here 3 by 14 and 3 by 8. Actually the answer is 3 by 14 and 3 by 8. Which is more, which is less? Before classes we converted, that means we converted is like fractions, means denominators are equal, but in the problem numerators are equal. Now just check it. Here 3 by 14, 3 by 8. 3 means, for example, take example, 3 is chocolates. 3 chocolates for 14 members is will come more, otherwise 3 chocolates for 8 members will come more. 3 chocolates will separate 14 parts, 3 chocolates will separate 8 parts, then 8 parts will get more. That's why this is the 3 by 14 is less than 3 by 8. Means what is that? Finally 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 is less than 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. Okay, students, see like that. If you know the how to multiply the product, how to multiply the fraction, we can do different type of problems. Then multiplication of fraction with whole part, multiplication of fraction with fraction, multiplication of fraction with mixed fraction, and here given 2 combinations. Out of 2 combinations, which is more, means we can find easily this one also. Okay, not only this type of problems, we have so many problems. Just do it and solve the problems. Okay, this class we completed the fractions, multiple product of fractions with the fraction. Next class we will continue the division of fractions. Okay, thank you.